Olive Ridley sea turtles are one of nature's marvels. Over the years, they have become an endangered species owing to a variety of factors. They return to the seashore where they were born to lay eggs. They reach an area that is 500 meters to 1 kilometers away from the sea to lay eggs before going back into the sea. The hatchlings which comes out of the eggs continue the same migratory tradition. This process of nesting is a regular occurrence on the coasts of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, but unfortunately the turtles and their eggs are damaged by humans and animals. What used to be 100 nests per kilometer in the 1970s has dropped down to mere 10 nests per kilometer on the beach, all due to human activities on the coast. The olive ridleys, being the second most abundant variety of sea turtles, are constantly under life threat and danger. Turtle conservationists say that the plastic garbage strewn on the beach can choke these turtles, and the lights from nearby farmhouses and vehicles on the roads confuses them, thereby bringing them onto the roads. What is more than a threat to their life is the usage of trawlers and gill nets used by fishermen in the sea. The trawler nets are cone-shaped, and when thrown into the sea, they are dragged along for 4 hours, trapping everything in its path. As a result, the olive sea turtles get suffocated and eventually drown. Sometimes they end up losing one or more flippers. Last year, more than 100 olive ridleys were found dead on the beaches of Chennai. In 2014, 1,500 deaths were reported in Tamil Nadu. In January 2015, the Madras High Court directed the state government to take action against the erring fishermen to ensure safe living of sea animals, including sea turtles. The government issued an order in 2016 prohibiting fishing using mechanized vessels and use of motorized crafts within 5 nautical miles of nesting sites for 4 months from January to April. However, the fishermen community expressed that blaming their community alone will not solve the problem. Their bigger concern is plastic waste that pile up on the shoreline. On the other hand, they argue that out of 100 days available to them for fishing, they are able to fish for just 60 days, and even if that is restricted, it would affect their livelihood. To ensure safe living of olive ridleys, turtle excluded devices or TED were introduced. This would enable the turtles to escape through the net while fishing is on. But this too proved to be disadvantageous to the fishermen, as fish would easily escape through the vent of turtle excluder device. According to World Wildlife Fund, it is estimated that approximately only 1 hatchling survives to reach adulthood for every 1,000 hatchlings that enter the sea waters. Though it is found in abundance, their numbers have been declining over the past few years, and the species is recognized as vulnerable.